Hi, thanks for clicking on Northern Equity Research. I'm Blake Desaulniers. Today we're going to give you a look at a newly minted venture in the super hot lithium sector. Portofino Resources offers investors an opportunity to participate in a grassroots exploration and development venture, surrounded by world-class miners in the famed lithium triangle. Lithium continues to be in demand, with prices driven to all-time highs by the burgeoning need for electricity storage in consumer goods, power grid, and the electric vehicle markets. Riding this powerful secular trend, Portofino's lithium brine properties in Catamarca Province, Argentina, have the potential to catapult Portofino into the limelight as this junior advances. A look at surrounding deals provides insight to just how far Portofino could take investors. Here's CEO David Taffel.
We're trading at the value of effectively a shell with nothing in it right now. Our neighbors all around us are trading at 10, 20, 100 times our value. So we think there's some awfully good upside with just little sniffs of some good news on the geology side.
Portofino's senior management has laid out an exploration plan that should deliver news to the market throughout the remainder of this year and beyond.
So we've signed two letter of intents right now and two properties in Catamarca. We have a number of others that we're looking at right now, and I expect to have some additional news on those over the next 2-3 months or so. We're working on the definitive agreements from the first two properties as well as technical reports. We have had our geological team up to visit one of the properties. I expect that the second property will be visited very shortly. Over the next 60-90 days, we will start. We'll complete the definitive agreements. We will start doing some work, some geophysical work on at least one, maybe two of the properties, and then continue that upon the recommendations of the technical reports into a drilling program, which we hope to start before the end of this year.
Portofino's neighbors in Argentina include a host of companies ranging from advanced junior through world-class miners. Everybody wants a piece of the action.
Well, one of I guess our most important neighbors were just south of FMC. They're the second largest lithium producer in the world. They're the largest producer within Catamarca Province. In fact, Catamarca is the biggest producing province in Argentina. So we're just south of them. We've got a very good comparable for one of our projects. Again, just to the west of us, a new seller, new property, new development, I guess. Not much has been heard yet about this, but that has been acquired by Albemarle. Albemarle is the largest lithium producer in the world, and they're advancing their exploration on a project that is very close to ours as well.
Portofino's properties, while still in early stages, have shown excellent lithium and potassium values in previous work, results that Portofino will move to confirm in coming months.
We looked at some of the historical geological information. It's still early stage, but some of the sampling that was done on the properties, it was very methodical 4 or 5 years ago, and nothing really has happened on those properties since then, but there were some very good grades of lithium and potassium that showed up within these samples.
So often the case with junior exploration and development deals, investors need to give strong weighting to management and directors, clearly a strength for Portofino.
One of our directors is Steve Wilkinson. Steve put together the projects in Argentina, actually, for Northern Orion a number of years ago. Northern Orion was taken out. In fact, its largest project was in Catamarca, a polymetallic project, and Yamana took them over for $800 million.
Portofino's extensive contacts within the mining and financial sectors, as well as on the ground in Argentina, lend additional strength to an already strong roster.
We also are drawing on our Argentinian partners and partnerships from other companies as well. So I think certainly as we move forward and we raise some funds here, we will build on the team as well. We've got some other very good contacts within the industry, both the financial and the geological industry, to be able to bring in and to raise the appropriate amount of money that we need when we need it.
At the end of the day, Portofino is a pure exploration play in lithium, with first-class address and the depth of talent, experience, and contacts to bring their properties along to the point that a more senior company would want to step in.
Portofino we're an exploration company. We don't pretend to be a production company. It's possible at some point in time, but really we're in the exploration business. We've got some early stage projects that have some great signs with them, and we plan to do more work on those, to develop those. We're in an area surrounded by much larger junior companies even, and on some of the largest lithium producers in the world. So ideally our chance is to develop a project to the stage where it's very interesting from a position of another producing company to come in and partner up or do some kind of a transaction with them.
With shares trading in the 5-cent range and a market cap under $2 million, Portofino Resources, Inc. offers investors the opportunity to take advantage of high leverage in a greenfield lithium brine exploration company. For those looking for exposure to the super hot lithium sector in a venture class opportunity, a close look at POR is well worthwhile. Go ahead and download our complete report on Portofino from the website. For Northern Equity Research, thanks for watching. See you again soon.